breakfast, Coach Andy?
Zimbabwe were taken seriously, but I think the '99 World Cup was really the eclipse of people saying, these guys have arrived on the big sea now, and no country, could take Zimbabwe lightly, particularly in ODI cricket. I think we had, that was when we had Murray Goodwin, Neil Johnson, Andy Flower, Alistair Campbell, Guy Whittle, Henry Alonga, Paul Strang. We had a really good side, and we beat the top.
Hi, I'm Grant Flower. I'm the Sri Lankan batting coach. I'd just like to
Shah, Juliana Shah. Ko motor manje manje. Tuenda kwa motor manje manje ka.
Mama, yana zangu zirimu mbada. Zirimu.
And I want to carry my clothes.
Yeah, iriboga, carry my clothes.
Zirimu.
Zirimu. Manje manje. Iribo. Wago nice eh? Agana kaire. Agana kaire. Juni agana kaire. Juliana Shah. Juliana Shah. Juliana Shah, the big Christmas box. Box. The big Christmas box.
And I will find it for you.
Iriboga, might have.
Ahmad Wasim mixed his bowlers up really well tonight, kept it interesting. Shot, excellent shot, just what the Qalandars needed. Bit of momentum in.
With a couple of